In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Salesforce, a valuable step in managing your sales process efficiently. Let's dive right in so you can quickly and effectively generate quotes for your opportunities. To begin, navigate to the app launcher within your Salesforce dashboard. Once there, go ahead and click on Opportunity. This is where you'll find all the potential deals and projects you are currently managing. Now locate the specific opportunity for which you'd like to create a quote. This might require a quick search if you have numerous opportunities listed, so make sure you grab the right one. Once you're in the desired opportunity record, you'll need to scroll down to find the Quotes section displayed as a related list. This area is dedicated to all the quotes associated with a particular opportunity. Within this section, you'll see an option to New Quote. Click on it to start the process of generating a quote from scratch. As the quote screen opens up, you'll find several fields that need to be filled out. These fields are critical for accurately defining the details of your quote, such as quantities, pricing, and any special terms. Pay close attention to any fields marked as required, as these must be completed before you can move forward. Take your time here to ensure all information is both precise and complete. Once you've diligently filled in all the necessary details, it's time to save this information. Click the Save button located typically towards the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your interface setup. This action will lock in your information and officially create the quote within the system. With your quote created, now open the newly made quote record. This allows you to add further detail and specificity through quote line items. Scroll down to find the section labeled Quote Line Items. This is where individual products or services will be listed, providing the granular detail your quote needs. When you reach this section, select Add Products. By clicking here, you're opening the door to add specific items to your quote, each pulling pricing data from Salesforce's comprehensive price book. Selecting the appropriate price book is crucial, as prices might vary depending on the book linked to different sales strategies or markets. Choose the one that aligns with your current opportunity. Finally, confirm your selections by clicking Save. This final step ensures that every product is correctly added to your quote, including the relevant pricing and details. And there you have it, a comprehensive quote ready to be sent to potential clients or internal stakeholders. By following these straightforward steps, you can swiftly and accurately create quotes in Salesforce, streamlining your sales process and enhancing your team's productivity.